Dear students, welcome back to the topic of states of matter. Here you will going to learn about the ideal gas equation. You all know the ideal gas is what? A gas that follows Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro law. Means the gas which obeys, the law which obeys this all law strictly at a given temperature and the pressure, that is called as an ideal gas. It is an imaginary gas. This is an imaginary gas. This is assumed that the intermolecular forces are not present in between the molecules of an ideal gas. So let us learn the ideal gas equation. The three laws which we have learnt till now, it can be combined together in a single equation, which is known as the ideal gas equation. This gas equation is also called the combined gas equation. Ideal gas equation is also called the combined gas equation because here the combination of the Boyle's law, Charles' law and the Avogadro law takes place. See what Boyle's law states: at constant temperature and number of moles, the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure. Next, Charles' law: at constant pressure and number of moles, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. That is Charles' law. Then Avogadro law is what? At constant pressure and temperature, the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to the number of moles. So by the combination of these three laws, we will get the ideal gas equation. See here, among these all, the V is a common, so they are taken as a volume is inversely proportional to pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature, volume is directly proportional to number of moles. By taking or by combining these three equations, we will get volume is directly proportional to number of moles and the temperature. So they written here the number of moles and temperature. Then volume is inversely proportional to pressure is here. So V is inversely proportional to pressure here. Then here the proportionality constant is a R. Then the equation become V is equal to R into NT divided by P. Here R is called the proportionality constant. It is also called the universal gas constant. Then after rearranging, this P goes this side. PV is equal to RNT, or otherwise we will call it as a PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. This is called the ideal gas equation. Very important. Ideal gas equation is what? PV is equal to nRT. Later on, rearrange. We will calculate the value of R. R is equal to become R is equal to PV divided by NT. Here R is called the gas constant. It is same for all gases. Therefore, it is also called the universal gas constant, or also called the ideal gas equation. So the ideal gas equation is a PV equal to nRT. Here R value equal to PV divided by NT. Let us calculate the value of the R here. Before going to this R calculation, I will express the each term involving in it. This is for your 3 mark questions, or otherwise they may ask 2 mark questions. Write the ideal gas equation and express the each term involved in it. The ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. In this equation, P is equal to pressure of a gas, V is the volume of a gas, N is an amount of substance or the number of moles, R is a universal gas constant, T is a temperature. This is your answer. Otherwise, for the 3 marks, derive the expression or derive the derivation for the ideal gas equation. So, we will derive this equation and with help of these 3 gas laws, or it is also called the combined gas equation. So, let us learn the calculation of the R value. After simplification, we will get the answer 8.314 Pascal meter cube per Kelvin per mole. So R value in terms of Pascal meter cube per Kelvin per mole is what? 8.314. Then in terms of bar liter, 8.314. Here the Pascal meter cube converter into bar liter per Kelvin per mole. Then these value terms in terms of the joule per Kelvin per mole. This is converted bar per liter is in bar liter in terms of the joule, that is the energy. The R value is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. This is very important. The R value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. This is 2 marks question. This may ask for the 2 marks question. Calculate the value of the R in terms of the joule per Kelvin per mole. Up to this, first write the formula, later on put the values of the STP conditions, temperature and the pressure, the number of moles. You will get the R values in terms of joule per Kelvin per mole. So add the STP conditions used earlier before they used the 0 degree Celsius. Here now the unit SI unit of the temperature is Kelvin, so they mentioned here 273.15 Kelvin. Then 1 atmospheric pressure. The value of R is become 8.20578 into 10 to minus 2 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So the ideal gas equation is a relationship between the 4 variables and it describes the state of any gas. Therefore, it is also called the equation of state. Here the pressure is present, volume is present, temperature is present, number of moles. Then these are all the parameters that finally it give the equations of the state. Let us now go back to the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. So this is a relationship for the simultaneous variation of the variables. If temperature, volume and the pressure of a fixed amount of a gas vary from T1, V1 and the P1 to the T2, V2 and the P2, then we can write the formula as, we know the PV equal to nRT, then we may varies from the T1, V1, P1 equal to T2, V2, P2. The formula become P1, V1 divided by T1 is equal to nR, P2, V2 divided by T2 is equal to nR. Then after this nR is equal to P1, V1 by T1 equal to P2, V2 divided by T2. This is the equation to calculate the any one unknown pressure or volume or the temperatures. So this equation is a very useful equation. If out of the 6 the value of 5 variables are known, then the value of unknown variable can be calculated by using this formula. So this ideal gas equation, this equation is also called as the combined gas law, because here the combination of what? Boyle's law, Charles law and the Avogadro law takes place. So finally it gives the ideal gas equation as a PV is equal to nR.